Hi everyone. I wanted to show you today how to use content projection in Angular. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an Angular component and we're going to be able to add content inside of that component. So that way we can have, for example, something that wraps around each paragraph, like a design. Just for an example, we're going to do that. And then we'll show you how to put content inside of the component so we don't have to put it inside of the actual component file. So let me go and do new component here. So yeah, paragraph wrap. I already did this once, so the name is popping up. So I'm going to generate that, give us a new component here in our components folder, and it should look like this, paragraph wrap. And if I go back and go to the HTML here, and let me just add this like this. And if we run our project, oh, whoopsie, that's not what I meant to do. If we run our project, we can, and once I save this, we're going to see if it actually is running correctly. So let's see here. Yeah, just go and save. Oops, save. And okay, we got the component working. So what we're going to do now is, what I want to do is put something inside of this. So like if we have, um, this is my paragraph. We want to be able to do something like this. We can't do it by default because it just, Angular doesn't read those text inside unless we specify that it should. So what we want to do here is, so man, sorry, I got these windows coming up. We want to go in and do a, let's go to the component here, the parent component. So we'll go here. And what we want to do in the parent component is add an ng content module here, or component, I don't know which one you call this. So ng content, and we're going to give it a, we're going to give it a select equals paragraph content, and this is just an ID name that we give to our content module. So we're going to use that, and we'll go into our component.html here, and what we want to do in here is we can just add any HTML tag inside, and we'll give it that same ID that we just wrote here, paragraph content. And inside of this, we can write this is so I'm going to save all. And now we can see over here, we got this, it's popping up inside of our component here. This is my paragraph text, make that a little bigger. So what happens is we're now able to reuse this component and just have it show over and over again. And we can kind of demonstrate, oops, let me save that one. We can demonstrate this better by showing that we want to go into the component and just add some styles. For example, like if this was something we were doing, we could say like that. So, you know, we give ourselves a little border. So it goes to show that we can have our styles and everything. It's contained in our Angular component, but we're able to reuse that component in the HTML here, and we can change the content every time. So this is second paragraph. So there you go. We're able to reuse the component every time and just change just the inside content, which is what we sometimes want to do with Angular is just have something that's wrapping around our components. And this can be done. We can actually nest these also. Um, I'm not going to go through that here, but these this concept you can use this to nest components inside of other components as well. So that's it. This is called content projection in Angular, and I hope this was helpful. All right, bye.